All right, what's up, boys? Good morning. Today is Thursday, June 26th. I took two trades today. First one was a loss, second one was a nice win. So let's get into the trade recaps. Why is my fib out? All right. First trade was based off. Let's hop down to the 4 hour. Bias today was clearly bullish. Nothing bearish about this price action. Hop down to the 1 hour time frame. We can see price tapped into this 1 hour order block and 1 hour bullish fair value gap, right? We tap into all of this, right? We see there's a unfilled 15-minute and buy side resting above us. So in hindsight, I should have gone break even, but it was way too close to call it a break even at the time because there was no volatility in the market. So if we look at price, we could see how we create this sort of order block right here. So we tap into an order block, and then that's inside this 1 hour and 15-minute order block. 1 hour order block and 1 hour fair value gap and 15-minute order block. We create sort of this rejection block and then get if we look here, sorry, I'm just like brain fogged right now. We have a bearish 5-minute, we inverse that. That's why I sound retarded, my bad. Bearish 5-minute, we inverse that. That is when I entered in long, targeting this level of buy side. You can see price tapped into the 15-minute and then instantly dumped. Now I very much should have gone break even at this point. That 100% is on me, I'm not gonna lie. Should have gone break even on that trade. Second trade was based off a SMT. If we look at these lows at 834, Nasdaq very much swept those lows, 834. ES is very much chilling above those highs, above those lows, I mean. We also tapped into an unfilled 4 hour on Nasdaq. We keep hopping down time frames. We can see on the 5-minute, we do have this bearish order block. So I do want price to be trading above the order block. That was my criteria. I want price to be trading above the order block. I also want price to inverse this 3-minute or 2-minute bearish fair value gap. We did not inverse that, but the fact that we pushed so high into it for a third time meant that we just weren't respecting it. We also traded above the 5-minute order block and created a 2-minute CISD here along with this 1-minute CISD that price was respecting. So SMT CISD pre-fired an IFEG into this internal high. I actually did take profits around here just because price was pushing up and I did not want ES to make an SMT with Nasdaq, so I kind of took profit here. I'll post a live trade. I got the live trade on video, so I'll post that on TikTok and Instagram for you guys to see if you guys are curious how I took profit. But essentially, this was the trade I took. No, this was the trade I took. But this was my actual TP. I just dragged my take profit down because ES was ripping and I didn't want there to be an SMT. However, great trade. Would take this 10 out of 10 times. If you guys have any questions about this trade, let me know. Now, we did just open a one-on-one mentorship. If you guys are interested in trading with us, we do not offer live trading. We don't offer any of that bullshit. All we do is daily calls. So we have calls with you guys every day. We can do check your trades, check what you did wrong, pre-recorded content for you guys to actually understand how we trade, our model, our psychology, our everything when it comes to trading, along with our phone numbers if you guys are interested in that. I'll put the link in the description to sign up for that. But if you guys have any questions, comment them, DM us on TikTok, Instagram. We'll be there to answer that. And I hope you guys have a nice day and peace out.